but to me she's worth her weight in gold. Sitting low in front with a full race mill, she beats them all like they're standing still. When I hit the gas, she's great for speed. Yes, my little wagon is all I need. I take my Woody everywhere I go, for she's got an awful lot to show. My little rod is like a Woody on a Surfari. She'll take any curve like a little Ford Ferrari. For there ain't nothing she can't do. Yes, you know she always comes through. Yes, my little rod is like a Woody on a Surfari. On a Surfari. Oh, Surfari now. With slicks in back, she gets off the line. With her engine tune, she sounds real fine. With 4 pots on top and stacks in back, she's winning a full race Cadillac. My little rod is like a Woody on a Surfari. She'll take any curve like a little Ford Ferrari. For there ain't nothing she can't do. Yes, you know she always comes through. Yes, my little rod is like a Woody on a Surfari. On a Surfari. Woody on a Surfari. On a Surfari.
Using craft acrylics, I mixed golden brown, about 70%, with brick red, about 30%, to get Woody's skin tone. Then I took some red and dry brushed it on his nose, and highlighted over his elbows and shoulder blades and ears to show a bit of a sunburn effect. I really like the way this turned out. Then I did dark brown under his hair with the yellow over top. I painted the license plates in the original 1960s color scheme. At this point, the Woody wagon is pretty well finished. I've got the horn attached here. I've got the lantern attached at the back. I've got the wheels glued on, and then I glued the wheels to the base, just using the regular Tamiya liquid cement. But then I also, on the front right tire, on the axle, I put a small piece of wire. I drilled a hole through the base, wrapped a small wire around the axle here, and passed it through the base underneath, and attached it to another piece of little wire so it wouldn't pull through. I'll show you underneath here, and I'll put up a picture. It's a little hard to see the wire in there. I'll put a picture. I think there you can sort of see it around the axle, just running into the. I may paint that black just to hide it a little better. So all I have left to do is attach Woody, the driver, and put the surfboards in the back. Also, if you notice on the box, I have my pointer here. On the box art, it shows the exhaust coming out here, and then an extension running down the back, with flames coming out. Well, in the kit, this is what you get. I managed to glue it on, and it looks pretty good. But what I also did was I took some straws from a juice box container. I'll show pictures as well. I primed them in black, and then I sprayed them with the Krylon chrome. I was going to glue them on, but they fit a little bit loose, so I decided what I'm going to do is I'm just going to slide it on here, one on each side, and just set it, and it sets there like that. So that's optional, that can come on and off. It stays on there pretty well. I've got one for each side. I'll just slide the other one on here as well, and I think that really sets it off. That really completes the build.